Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's start off our discussion with the next subsection, which is about axial and the appendicular skeleton. First of all, the pattern questions. A option is 1, B option is 2, C option is 4, D option is 6 and E option is 8. And the first statement is the number of paired bones in cranium is. And the best response to this question is beta. There are 2 paired bones in the cranium. Another question, the number of unpaired bones in cranium is. And the number of unpaired bones in the cranium is 4 actually. And the number of unpaired bones in skull is. Skull में total 6 unpaired bones हैं. Best response is delta. Next statement, total number of free ribs in human body is. There are 4 free ribs in human body. Answer is Charlie. Number of coxal bones in our body is. हमारी बॉडी में टोटल 2 coxal bones होती हैं. बेस्ट रिस्पॉन्स इज बीटा. एंड द नंबर ऑफ पेयर्ड बोन्स इन स्कल इज. अब यहाँ पे पूरी स्कल की पेयर्ड बोन्स पूछी जा रही हैं. पहले आपसे क्रेनियम की पेयर्ड बोन्स पूछी गई थी. सो नाउ द बेस्ट रिस्पॉन्स वुड बी E, that is 8. Another question, human skull is comprised of dash bones 8, 14, 22 or 32. The best response to this question is Charlie. Basically human skull 22 bones से बनी है. Another question, the number of bones forming ankle are 5, 7, 8 or 14, and you know that ankle is being formed by the 7 bones in the human being. So best response would be beta.